That thing is clean, dog. Sheesh. Sheesh.
Ah, careful.
Yo, what is up, people? We about to head to this Cars and Coffee, but low key we running late, but who cares? There'll always be another one. But we are about to fly like the wind. Water. Like, I was like, God damn. Like, I even set the alarm for 10, bro. So I wanted to get there at like 10:30. I looked at the clock, I'm like, damn, it's 10:30. Oh yeah, we're so late. Oh, we're so late. Let's see what we can find. Mustang, BMW, a Subi. Yeah, that's nice. Ooh. Clean. Uh-oh, that boy walking that shit. Probably blew his fucking engine. Yeah, bro, that's clean. That's clean. See what's up in here. Oh, this thing was packed, bro. Oh yeah. Clean. Now I don't know much about like cars other than like main cars, honestly guys. Like I'm not too much of a car guy. Like I just like 350s, 370s. That's kind of my thing. It's clean. To stop and see those. Got the Jeeps. Jeeps is clean. That thing is sick. Got the duckies on it. Ooh. I gotta see these. Clean as fuck. Woo. This shit is dope. Man. They got this speakered up. God damn. It's the whole fucking back seat. That thing is clean, bro. That thing is nice. I don't know if I want to really lane split. It's a bunch of cops here, so I don't know if I want to be that fucking guy. Fuck this, bro. How you doing, man? Bro, I'm so mad. I got here late. Everybody's leaving.
Yeah, I mean, I like the bike, man.
Thank you, man. I just completed all of this, dude. Like a couple weeks ago.
Nice.
So I was like, you know, I was gonna come out here and show out, but
I mean, there's always next one.
yeah.
It'll probably be bigger too, because it's warmer outside.
Yeah.
I like it.
Thank you. You know that you do them things. Yeah, when you listen to that UK rap, man, that UK drill scene, it's just fucking hilarious. I bet like they're like, it's like, oh yeah, like this dude mad serious, but to me, it's cause of the accent, like that shit's funny as fuck. You know he do them things. He do that thing. Oh, it's a chick.
Oh, say less.
You go to that car meet? You go to the car meet? Yeah. I got there late though. I got there late. Like everybody was leaving when I got there, so. I think the next one might be better. Yeah. Thanks. Dude, this is nice. Thank you.
So I had a carbon fiber helmet and my visor fell off today.
Oh.
I was like, bro, I was riding and it was,
Damn.
I was like, holy shit.
Dude, you got like a whole iPad in the front? That thing is clean, dog. Sheesh. Sheesh.
Ah, careful. This catch is so hot. Yeah, it's a little dirty right now. Poor baby. I actually have 3 bikes. This is my daily.
Yeah.
1000 right now is currently in the shop.
Word.
The brake line's bled as well as this one too. So, yeah.
Man.
This baby is still bone stock, I would like to call it, except for the fender delete here.
Yeah.
Because you know, that extended thing, I was like, nah, I'm good. But yeah.
It's not bad.
Yeah. I'm good there. Yeah, yours is so sick though. This is carbon fiber. You wrapped it, or is it the actual?
It's the actual fairings. This is the only thing that's wrapped.
This?
Yeah, the tank.
Wow, that's so nice. Yeah, look at that. Where's your mirrors? Someone put over here?
Huh?
That's nice. Your mirrors?
Oh yeah, these came with the bike, but I was thinking about getting those like fins. This thing sucks anyway.
Yeah, like I told you today, losing everything. Remember, my freaking visor flew off on the other one. And it's a beautiful carbon fiber helmet. But
Yeah.
I don't know where it was, it just flew off.
Is it the... Damn. Yeah, that sucks.
I know, and then I have to now, because the pin is gone. The pin that was here is not gone, so I went back to look for it, but it's not on the road.
Word.
So I'm like, damn, like, what could it be? So it's B.
What's the ride position on that? Is it just upright?
Yes, yes. This one, yeah. See, it's the, oh, here's my 1000, actually. This one's good. Very alike, same color scheme.
Oh, yeah.
Just, you know, a little bit different. A little different. So I have to go from them, you know, to represent.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, I'm thinking my next bike. I'm gonna go the BMW. The S1000. Just cause, yeah. I was looking at the Aprilas the other day, but
Expensive.
yeah.
Super expensive. But we were at BMW and it's really expensive too, so. I have a friend that has one, but her motor seems to always be blown out.
Oh, really?
And she's a female rider, so I highly doubt she'd like, you know, rough houses her bike, but I know men, I mean, not support, you know? But like, I don't know my bikes, but like the way you guys be going at it, I'm like, whew.
I be chilling. I have another friend. He's like putting his knee to the ground and on the streets. I'm like, dude, you're tripping, man.
No, only in the track, only in the track.
Yeah.
Yeah, hell no. Yeah, no, so Instagram, here.
Look.
Which one's yours? This one, this one? Ours. That's so pictures and everything. That's nice.
Yeah, I had hired like a social media manager person.
Yeah, so not manage your Instagram?
Yeah.
That's dope.
Cause I'm trying. Well, your phone is like.
Slow.
Yeah, but.
This Wi-Fi here at the gym is trash, so this connection from here LT is fired. So.
Yeah.
There you go.
Alright, cool. Yeah. I've been trying to like reach out to people here cuz like I'm new here. I'm not from here.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ohio. But it's like it's always gray skies, so
In
like
Ohio?
yeah, in Ohio. It's like super depressing over there. So when I moved here a couple months ago, like I ended up finally getting a bike cuz I always wanted to get a bike. Like I'm like new.
But you're not that new.
I'm not that new.
Yeah. Have you tracked yet?
Not yet. I want to go to the track so I can get better on the streets. But
Absolutely. I recommend. I've been to the track around 3 times now. I might go this upcoming month. I'm still debating just because it's a lot of money. It's funny you should say that because here I actually low-sided once.
that's so crazy. I almost low-sided like 2 days ago over down that way. I downshifted, I think a little too late in the turn.
Yeah.
And then the back tire was trying to catch up and it like slipped out. Somehow I recovered.
And these are 3 bikes, so we got this one in the middle. We have 1,000. Bad boy. 650 in my little Grom.
Grom, yeah, I rode a Grom. I went to that Katie was hosting like something at Team Charlotte Motorsports.
Katie?
Yeah, I rode a Grom for the first time. Super weird.
Yeah, it's really small.
I felt like I couldn't turn it.
Really?
Yeah.
But yeah, be careful, man. Like same here with me. Like I try not to pull out too much in the roads. If I want to pull out, it'll be on the track, but definitely not good.
Yeah, I pick and choose the roads. Basically, I ride these since I live here. I like ride this little route all the time, so I kind of know like what to do.
Yeah, that's good.
But when I'm out in Uptown, like I chill out completely.
Yeah. I mean, that's where I know Uptown. I work actually at Big Energy. I'm a cybersecurity analyst.
Do you know Jordan? Yeah.
Bike?
Yeah, he has a bike.
My friend's bike too, right?
Yeah.
So cool. Yeah, I didn't know that his girl had one until like he's like, yeah, she has one too. I was like, I know Jordan. Yeah.
That's hilarious. What's your name?
Amy.
Amy. Judah.
What was that?
Judah.
Judah.
Yeah.
I mentioned it.
Maybe.
We haven't ridden together. He's mentioned a few times, but
He doesn't ride. Like he'll ride with me sometimes, but he'll start complaining about the weather. He's like, "Oh, it's too cold." Like I was riding all through like December and November.
I rode through November, but I stopped because it was cold as hell. So,
Yeah. I mean, when I realized like when it was like 40, I stopped because the tires don't warm up at all. So I was like, I'm not gonna do that.
I tried, but you know how during the day it's like nice, and then the nighttime it becomes fall or it becomes cold.
Yeah.
I was in the day like 2 days ago. I was like, yeah, it's so nice outside. And I go out and it's like I'm like Indian Trail, 30-40 minutes out, and I'm like, look, it's cool as hell. So
Yeah.
I'm trying to go back out here at night. But that's the only time I had time to really go out because I work here during the day. Yeah, it's not too far away from me, so
Yeah.
I always do the events. But this event wasn't that good. It was alright compared to the other ones that I've been to. And my friends aren't here either.
Yeah. I mean, that was the first one I ever been to. Like,
That's okay.
there's no like cars and cop. Like, you know, at least I didn't I wasn't in the scene or anything, so I don't know.
Yeah, this is dope. Did you bring this from Ohio? Or you got this here?
I got this here. Yeah.
Nice. It's really good.
And then I was like, it was like blue and black. I don't like blue like that. So it's like it got to go. Had to put the custom logo,
That's dope.
like get that painted and then wrapped.